2024 Mercedes-Benz GLB. With less than 14,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. Never get bored with the numerous premium built-in features such as automatic parking, side view mirrors with turn signals, satellite radio, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat, tinted windows, power driver seat, power passenger seat, pass-through rear seat. The open road is calling. Drive it home today.